Some nights I just lie awake thinking maybe it would be easier if I wasn't here at all. That's the painful reality for many struggling with their mental health. Every year, 700,000 people die by suicide. The tragic fact is 75% never seek therapy due to stigma, limited therapies, and crushing costs. This untreated illness is costing the global economy over $500 billion. The solution is Lumio, AI-powered mental health support. We deliver accessible, stigma-free, real-time physiotherapy. We offer over 50 diverse customizable avatars. This is far beyond impersonal textbots. Users get personalized therapy starting at just $6 per month. This is a massive competitive advantage over solutions that cost three times as much. And most importantly, we offer 24/7 real-time crisis detection and automated SOS, a critical safety feature that other solutions lack. Our team has a technical and clinical expertise to execute. I am Aziz, a master in computer science student at Columbia University, and he is my team. We are currently in our improve and expand phase, fine-tuning our AI. But to truly solve the global access problem, we are seeking funding to accelerate our roadmap. With this investment, we will launch multilingual support and integrate voice chatbot in first quarter of 2026. We are building a scalable, life-saving solution. With Lumio, we can make sure no one has to struggle alone.